Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this was Nifty's last closing on Thursday, 6:15, and Friday was holiday. Today, Monday, 18th of December, Nifty opened here 942. So around 300 points gap up, above 300 points gap up, and I was waiting for my first trade above the 5-minute candle or below the 5-minute candle. So my setup formed here at this candle only, but I was waiting for the strike price to come in my range. I put 30 rupees, 32 rupees, 34 rupees, but I couldn't get it. But exactly here my strike price was triggered, and as soon as it got triggered, I waited for the close of this candle. So at the high of this here, 997, I exited around 25,000. So because I didn't thought that it would cross 25,000, but it did in more 2 candles, but I didn't took the risk. I collected 100 rupees because my stop loss was going to be 100 rupees, so I collected 100 rupees. And then this was my first trade, and then market was falling here. So I thought of taking a PE trade, but so much of gap down, gap up, I couldn't find the courage to take a PE trade. And my discipline was I would try to take only one trade. But here again I saw the V pattern, W pattern forming, and this is the reason I took a trade. I should have taken here, but I missed it. I saw this rally, and after the close of this candle, I took my second trade. So I entered at the end of this candle here, and I exited at the high of this candle. So 43, 53, 52. So 10 points in the index. Anyway, another 100 rupees, but I waited and thought I didn't waited, and I exited rapidly because market was going to be tricky, and I had it had a gut feeling that Nifty would come down, and it did. So I was watching this candle also, and I was hoping to take a third trade here, but I somehow managed to restrict myself, to control myself, to not to give in to my emotion, because I was trading far out of the money. So I would only fetch with this fall also, this momentum. If I would have captured also, I would only get 200, 300 rupees. So at least 2 trades I have done. So that is more than enough for me. And after so many days, Nifty is above 8. It closed above 800. So let's see what happens tomorrow. That's it. So my first trade was my setup, and my second trade was not set up completely, but I gave in due to my greed, and I missed this rally, the fall here, and the upward rally here. So it was like a FOMO that triggered in me. So this trade was perfect. One good trade was this one, but this was not in my setup, but still I took the trade. So and today I'm outside, so you guys can hear a lot of bird noise. So since I was in the I'm somewhere working, so 2 trades, 1 point each I took in 2 trades. 1 point was my stop loss, so 1:1 risk-reward ratio. And tomorrow I'll also do the same thing. I'll wait for the first candle, and see, these are higher lower highs forming and lower lows. So if this breaks tomorrow 860 something, I'll go for a PE trade. Otherwise, let's see what happens tomorrow. But tomorrow I'll try to take one trade only, because my one of my main motive in this 5-mile run is to sorry for that, to protect my capital. So I'll not trade, that is also okay, but I'll try to protect my capital. So that's it for today, 18th of August. Thank you guys, and sorry for the noise.